I wanted to be a bunch of things. I wanted to be everything. I could never choose. I always thought that life is too short to just pick one thing. My name is Cohen. I'm a travel blogger and the creator of Vanilla Sky Dreaming. And I think that traveling alone is like the best form of traveling because you get to do what you want, when you want. At the end of the day, I get paid to do what I was gonna do anyways at these amazing places, and in return, I promote these amazing excursions. For about 4 years, I kind of had like a corporate job where I did sales and a sales trainer. I made a lot of money, but I wasn't happy. I wanted to see the sun. I wanted to see the world. I don't like that pattern of life, how you finish high school, you go to college, you work for 40 years and you get old, and then you wish you would have done all these amazing things. When I was about 28, I quit, and I had no idea what I was gonna do with my life. I stumbled upon a blog called World of Wanderlust. It was just so inspiring. So I started Googling more about travel blogging. I bought a domain name and started creating content. I started telling stories until one night at like 4 a.m. I was like, you know what? Like, this is exactly what I want to do with my life. I entered a contest for travel bloggers. The top 25 people that had the most vote won a free trip to India. I won, and that kind of just opened like a whole new world. I started Vanilla Sky Dreaming at the age of 28, and I kind of was like, okay, I'm kind of a little bit too old to be doing this, but I just gave myself no choice but to succeed. And I kept pushing through all the rejections, through the hard days, through the sleepless nights.
Oh my God, the struggle is real.
I was contacted by NBC News, who saw some of my footages on my YouTube channel and they wanted to buy it. And that was like my first real time that somebody even like offered to pay me for my life, my passion. The second year is when things started to change. I created a video on why you should travel alone, and somehow Ashton Kutcher found it and shared it on his Facebook page with his 17.5 million followers. I slowly started reaching out to brands, and brands started reaching out to me. The first month where I made like $2,000 or $3,000, I was like, this can really be a thing. This can really be a job. I've worked with tourism boards, I've worked with clothing lines, amazing accessory lines, and it's all through showing your personalities and, you know, being authentic. And I think that that's the cool thing about running my own business and my own career, is that I have full control of who I work with, when I work, how hard I work. When I fail, it's my fault, and when I succeed, it's, you know, it's exciting times 20 because I did it by myself. There is a lot of competition. There's a lot of things that you need to learn. There's SEO and web designing and Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and Snapchat. Every single one of them, it's like you have to study each thing. You have to know how to edit photos and videos and how to like reach brands. There's so much to do and there's so much information. You can take the long road and, you know, do trial and errors, or go online and get online courses by top influencers who've been there, who have done that, who will help you and teach you and give you a shortcut to their success. Literally anybody, no matter what their age is or where they're from, they can, you know, be an influencer. The time is now to get into this industry. There are so many opportunities. More and more brands are choosing to advertise through influencers and bloggers. I don't really see myself in a competition with everybody, even though there's a bunch of travel bloggers. You know, I'm me and they're them, and, you know, we all have something special to bring out and inspire. I'm Cohen. My blog is Vanilla Sky Dreaming.